We asked the 999 operator, what are the most frustrating things in dealing with calls?
Yeah, I mean, AEDs, they are very important and they can help, and more people do go and get them than you would think. A lot of people don't realise how important they are, and we are able to tell that person where the closest AED is. We do have that information, and it will, obviously they will give that patient a higher chance of survival if they can use that. We have the instructions, we can talk them through it also, but the actual AED device does generally tell them how to use it, and full instructions are given where to put the pads, and the system tells them when it's going to shock the patient, so they have to stand clear. So all the information is given for it.